So thank you so much for this short interview regarding IMTEX 2025. We are really exciting and we look forward to participate along with the Philips. And our company belongs to Shadow Group. Shadow Group itself is a family-owned business group, and it's now sixth generation is owner right now along with us. And in Hamul Rajanba, we are producing close to now almost we are touching 100 years now in next year for machine tool building and very specific for the niche market for the aerospace and nuclear energy as well as for the gas turbines business. So we started a couple of months back with the Philips. It's a really exciting trip. Started with the Philips. We are leveraged with a lot of expertise. So regarding IMTEX 2025, as Machine Tool will be showcasing our machines in the exhibition. So we have a couple of new innovations which we developed with a lot of expertise and the past experience with our with the directly connected with the manufacturers. So this time we are putting our HSTM 150S2, which is a later entry model machine to the market, and it's a highly competitive in terms of quality, prices, and also for the very complex geometry you can produce on the machine since machine is inbuilt the capability of with the automations itself we can deliver automation as well the machine, but this machine is a base machine basically to just to adjust with the customer expectations. So right and then in the further on, if customer would like to have enhanced their capability for the repair business for their parts, then definitely we can integrate the new technology as well as for the machines like hybrid additive. That's one more options with the machines. And also machines are very user friendly and also very energy efficient, and also we can reduce a lot of waste which usually if you see the global scenario right now, we are talking about the carbon footprint has to be less more than we have to reduce 2.5% globally. So we are also contributing in this direction, and all the processes are highly sustainability focused process we are doing in house. Yeah, so coming back to the manufacturing sector and the theme which is given by the Philips, it's absolutely coherence between both of us because we are also looking forward for this market because it has a great potential since everybody's in the world looking towards India after this hit by the COVID, and India has a capability to deliver all those things to the worldwide manufacturing sector, and we are also into the path of the growing, and year on year we are growing. And since your theme is absolutely touching with our policies of the company, so as a company and as a Philips, when we collaborate together, so I think Fly High is it's a absolutely wonderful and amazing tool where we can offer our tailored and high precision solutions integrate with the cutting edge technology like CNC machines with the hybrid systems and automations. And of course, it's a leverage with the Philips service support and a very high end technical guys you have available within your team, which is expertise to deliver all the customers on time and with a high cost, cutting processes we are delivering together. Thank you so much. We look forward to meet you and IMTEX all the manufacturers.